your back feels stiff, your neck's tight, and your shoulders are caving forward, it's not just posture, it's pressure you've been holding on to. Today, we reverse that tension from the spine out. Let's hit the mat. Start in tabletop. Inhale, arch your spine and lift your tailbone and chest. Exhale, round through your back, press the floor away and let your head drop. This is your spinal reset button. I promise this gentle rhythm rehydrates your discs, resets your breathing, and realigns your nervous system. Beginners, keep the range small and intentional. Advanced stretches, match the movement to your breath and go deeper into each wave. Do you feel that ripple through your spine? That's your body remembering how to move. Now that you've woken it up, let's build length. Lower onto your belly, prop up on your forearms, elbows under shoulders. Lift your heart and press gently into the mat. Relax your glutes and let your lower back extend. This passive back bend is an antidote to all that slouching. I promise this opens the front body while strengthening your lumbar spine without overloading it. Beginners, keep the elbows slightly forward and relax. Advanced stretches, press up taller or add micro glute engagement. Did you know just 60 seconds of this pose can restore fluid to your spinal joints? Hold for 5 more seconds and breathe deeper. That has restored your curve. Now let's unlock your grip. From a tabletop or kneeling position, flip one hand so fingers point back towards your knees. Gently lean back to stretch the front of your wrist and forearm. Switch sides halfway. This one hits different, especially if you've been living on screens. I promise this reduces tension that crawls from your hands to your shoulders and neck. Beginners, keep a micro bend in the elbow. Advanced stretches, add light circular movement or pulse. Still tight? That's not just physical, it's the grip of stress patterns. Let go for 5 more seconds, then rise up. That just resets your grip. Now we move higher. Come to a kneeling or seated position. Drop your chin towards your chest and gently roll your head to the right, back to center, then to the left. Go slow. Stay present. Your neck holds more stress than almost any part of your body. I promise this resets your vagus nerve, improves blood flow to the brain, and releases upper back tension. Beginners, stick to half circles. Advanced stretches, slow it down. Soften the jaw and tune into each crackle. Ask yourself, do you feel release or resistance? Lean into the one you've been avoiding. That just resets your neck. Now we're finished with posture and power. Stay kneeling, interlace your hands behind your back, pull your knuckles toward the floor, and open your chest to the sky. This is your posture revival. I promise this opens tight pecs, reverses the hunch, and reclaims presence. Beginners, keep hands apart or use a strap. Advanced stretches, lift the arms as you hinge forward slightly. Can you expand your ribs for 5 more seconds without losing the stretch? You just gave your posture permission to rise again.